In today's video, I will be showing you how to use Google Play Store in your laptop or your computer. So let's begin. So here we are in our browser, and what I want you to do first is go here in BlueStacks.com once you open your browser, and from here you want to click on download BlueStacks right here. So once you have clicked it, a download prompt will appear right here and you must wait for it to complete. And once it's completed, you want to open it. And from here, you want to go and just click yes when a pop-up will appear. And from here, you want to click on install now so that we can install BlueStacks. And while this is downloading, let me tell you what BlueStacks exactly is. BlueStacks is basically, in simple terms, an emulator that would emulate an Android device that can be run here in your computer, may it be on Windows or Mac. So in this way, you can run Android apps here in your computer, just like when you are running it in your smartphone or your Android device. And now here it is, it has finished downloading and loading. So from here we can actually start using BlueStacks, and there is some guides right here that will pop up first right here when you first open BlueStacks. But from here you can essentially already use the Play Store. So from here you can search your favorite games. So maybe let's go for Mobile Legends. When you search for Mobile Legends, you actually have it right here. You can have it in your Google Play app. Then you can also click here so that you can open your Google Play app. And as you can see, it will load for a bit, just like here. And there would be some ads, by the way, when you are using your Play Store or whatsoever, but that is such a small price to pay, right? When you are using this app for free. And as you can see, you need to sign in first. So here it is. Once you have finished filling up your email and your password, you can now go here and click here on accept. And after this, you would be prompted right here. You can now use your Play Store right here in your PC. And as you can see, I have the install button right here. And I can just go back right here and search for games right here. I can search and browse for apps, for books right here. I can use the Google Play Store right here in my computer. And not just that, you also have this cool feature here in BlueStacks, which I personally really like. So this is the multi-instance manager. By clicking this button right here, you can actually open up this tab right here. So once you are here, you can actually go click here on instance button, and from here you would have this pop-up right here. You can have fresh instance, so you will have to log in again. But if you just want to go clone your instance right here, you can just do this. So it will just duplicate this instance right here that you're currently running. So let's say you are running a game and you want to use two different accounts, then you can actually use this instance feature. So it will be just like you are using two phones that is playing in the same game. And not just that, you also have your common features right here. So you have here the airplane mode, just like you're in your phone, you can rotate it. And from here you can shake and so on right here. You're free to explore, but that is basically it for the basic features of BlueStacks, and that is how you access or use Google Play Store here in your laptop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.